Hi, everyone. So as a GTD practitioner and coach, I have the honor of being the student and the teacher, which I'm really grateful for, which I love dearly. You know, one of the things I really hold as a clear intention is to stay curious. Stay curious about my practice, stay curious about what's next for me, like what's my next, what I call kind of growing edge. And how can I feel more inspired? How am I being too rigid? It's like, I like asking questions, I like to keep it fresh. And so I thought I would share one of the new things that I'm doing in service to that, and in case it's helpful. So I have this kind of new game that I created, and it's called, wait for it, Ready for Anything Roulette. Catchy, right? So this came about from me very recently rereading this book again and again and again, which I have been for years. And I'm not quite sure what happened, but I guess I was asking myself, like, how can I make this, how can I even make my kind of studies, so to speak, more fun? And so I came up with this. So how it works is basically I just kind of ask my inner GTD master, my muse, what do I need? Like, what am I not seeing? What am I avoiding? Like, what do I need right now? And then I basically just roll the dice. Here. So what I love about this kind of new game that I'm playing is I really trust that whatever it is for me is going to be revealed. So here we go. Chapter 34. You can't win a game you haven't defined. Games are fun only when you know very specifically what the goal is. The vision of playing soccer is realized only with a playing field and a goal at the end. And the activity of kicking the ball is most galvanized by knowing exactly where you want to kick it. The game of work requires the same edges and directions. So what I interpret as what I need from that is, maybe taking another look at my project list and making sure the outcomes are fun and inspiring and that they're clearly defined. That's kind of my interpretation of what I need in terms of my call to action. There is a quote from Henry Ward Beecher: "The ability to convert ideas to things is the secret of outward success." The ability to convert ideas to things is the secret of outward success. So I think my interpretation of that is taking ideas and really defining clear outcomes. And so in terms of the by the way, which is the call to, do something with the information, do you have a list of all your projects? Ha ha ha. Yes, but it's a little, I'm thinking it's probably a little rote. When could you take a half hour and create it? How about this weekend? So my invitation, I'll keep going with this. My invitation, if this is fun for you, only if it's fun and inspiring, is just roll the roulette, roll the dice, and kind of just see what might be here for you in terms of infusing your practice with a little juice and inspiration.